Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in this video we are going to take a look at how to install LineageOS 22.2, which is based on Android 15 for a Galaxy S7. So without wasting any more time, let's take a quick look into the installation of it. So guys, we finally have LineageOS 22.2 on our Galaxy S7, and yes, I know I have already made ROMs on Android 16, but those were GSI ports, which means you pick up GSI, get it matched with vendor, and then you zip it and you get it as a ROM. That's basically GSI port, not source built ROMs. Now this is LineageOS 22 based on Android 15, and this is source built from scratch. So we are going to be installing this without any repartition or stuff like that. We are just going to flash the official TWRP. Like I have already flashed it. You can also flash it. You need to use the official TWRP recovery and use all the easy commands which you have used before to install LineageOS. So now let's boot into recovery to install it. Now you can also use your advanced restart menu if you have any, and boot into recovery, or you can also go back and power off the device and use the volume up combos, for which a lot of people are familiar because not everyone is on a custom ROM right now. So we're going to use the power key combo. Now guys, after the device powers off completely, you need to press the volume up, the home key and the power key at the same time, and this will help your device boot into the TWRP recovery. Now for the recovery, you need to use the official TWRP. So I will just leave a link in the description and you can easily flash it through Odin. So as you can see, our TWRP has booted. Now the first step is to go here, and let me just change the brightness. I don't know why TWRP is changing. So yeah, this is how it is. Now the first step is to go to wipe, advanced wipe. Now when you are going from like the stock ROM, which is the Samsung stock firmware, you need to format data first, then reboot again into recovery to remove decryption, then encryption, then going to advanced wipe. Now this is after the reboot recovery process, or if you are on a custom ROM, then you need to follow this procedure. Going into advanced wipe, system data, sorry, not micro SD card, cache, because my stuff is in my micro SD. So let's just wipe all these partitions. Now once this is wiped, go to install, choose micro SD card or internal storage where your files are being saved. And as you can see, I have Lineage and BitG apps. Lineage. You can also add zips, or you can flash it after the Lineage process gets completed. So let all these zips get installed, and we will then reboot and check out the installation. Check out the after installation process, which is boot animation, and then we'll meet up at the setup logo. As you can see guys, the installation is successful. Now just reboot system. You don't need to format data or do anything. Just reboot system, and you need to wait for the boot animation to appear, which will appear slightly. And here we go, we have the LineageOS boot animation. Give it a few minutes to boot, and then we'll meet at the setup screen. And guys, here we go. Welcome to LineageOS. So this is the setup screen, and you can set up and use it. Now this is the most stable AOSP ROM right now. I mean, if you're going to install it, this is the latest one as well. May 2026 build, and we also do have Android 16, which is 23.2 version of LineageOS. So yes, obviously after this the installation of that will be coming. So I hope you guys stay subscribed and stay tuned to the channel, and if you have not already, then you must subscribe to watch other videos as well of the S7. And if you guys have liked this video, then you can press the like button. If not, the dislike button is there. Feedback and all the other stuff will be in the comment section, and for all S7 videos you can check out the playlist, which has also been linked in the description. So that's it guys, take care, stay safe, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.